Match the function with its graph from choices A through D. F of x equals the square root of the quantity x minus 2. Is it A, which has the same general shape as the square root function with a starting point of -2, 0, B, which has the general shape of the square root function but the starting point at 0, -2, C, which has the general shape of the square root function but has starting point at 2, 0, or D, which has the same general shape as the square root function but starts at the point 0, 2. Our function is f of x equals the square root of x minus 2. And therefore, since we are subtracting the value in the square root by 2, we're looking for a graph that is shifted as compared to the graph of square root of x 2 units to the right, which is the graph shown in choice C. Another way to look at this is that x minus 2 must be greater than or equal to 0, and so x must be greater than or equal to 2. So we're looking for the function, or the graph of the function, with domain where x is greater than or equal to 2.